Hello, good morning or good afternoon, whichever you decide to do your school time at. I'm so happy you're here and I'm ready to start circle, are you? Do you remember what we do first? Our morning song, bring out those sign language hands. I bet you're still learning sometimes, it's okay. We do this every day, so we'll practice and practice and then you'll be able to do it and you won't even need my help anymore. Are you ready? The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be, because your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. I'm so happy that you're joining me for school and for farming. Let's start with a calendar. We need to find out our month. Clap your hands. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months of the year. So we are in October, which is O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. We need to figure out what number day of October we are in. I bet you can count with me. These are so low, small numbers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And when it's the date, we say 7th. Today is the 7th day of October. Now we need to figure out what day of the week it is. The last time we met, it was Tuesday, but we had one day of no school. So let's see what we're on now. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Today the day is Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. Today the day is Thursday, all day long. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Oh, what fun. Oh, what fun. So what day is today? It is Thursday, so we need to say our whole date. You want to say it with me today? All right, you ready? Take a deep breath. Today is Thursday, October 7th, 2021. It's time to do our season. Sing with me. Flowers, pumpkins, swimming, snow, make the seasons we all know. Every year is the same, and we give them each a name. Summer, autumn, winter, spring, count the seasons as we sing. 4 seasons, and we are in fall, or what's another word for fall? Autumn. Autumn and fall are the same thing. They just have 2 different names. Let's do our weather. What do you need to go check out your window, right? All right, check out your window. Fill out your chart for your weather. What is the weather? The weather today. Is it sunny or cloudy and gray? Is there rain falling down? Is there snow on the ground? What is the weather? The weather today. Listen to Miss Ashley and she will say, today the weather is, it's cool again. And it's cloudy, but it's not rainy. I hope it doesn't rain today. It'd be nice to have a little bit of a break because it rains a lot here in Washington. Okay, so, ready for letters? Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I want to mix them up so that way I can trick you. What sound does this make? You're right. Ah. Ah. Eh. This is eh. B. B. Mm. Mm. Oh. Oh. All the way back around. We forgot to practice our sign language this morning though, right? Let's start again. Yes. Yes. No. No. Show me yes. Show me no. No. Very good, guys. You ready for a lesson? Get your envelope, meet me at a table or a desk. Corn counting. We're gonna be adding today, and you're gonna need your black marker, okay? So first, you're gonna take your dice, and we're gonna roll our dice, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the first number and add it to the second number, and then we're gonna mark off whatever we get. So we have how many on this one? 6, right? Then we need to add however many more is on this one. How many is on this one? 6. So what is 6 plus 6? If you don't know, you can count the dots if you need to. It is 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark off. There's a couple different number 12s, but you can mark off whichever one you want. So you're going to find a number 12 on your corn and mark it off. Let's roll again. Are you ready? And yours is going to be different because you're going to roll different numbers than I am. So you're going to mark out whatever number you find. I have 2 plus 1. What is 2 plus 1? 3, right? So I'm going to find a number 3. I'm going to do this one up here, and I'm going to mark this one off. Remember, you are going to get different numbers because you're rolling differently than I am, okay? So we're going to do this 10 times to see how many different pieces of corn we can mark off. Maybe we can get some in a row. Maybe we can do a bunch of different patterns. But what I really want you to practice is adding together. So go ahead and you're going to keep rolling, and so am I. You'll get different numbers than I will. And you'll mark off different numbers than I will. So yours will look different than mine, but that is fine. I just want you to practice adding, okay? Go ahead. I have 4 plus 1. So for me, I have 5. I'm going to mark off a 5. You mark off whatever you're adding together. Remember, if you're having some trouble, count the dots. I have 4 plus 7, or 4 plus 3, excuse me. 4 plus 3 equals 7, so I need to find a 7 to mark off. I think I'm going to try to make mine a pattern. I just spread them all around. I have 5 plus 5. You count yours, see what you have. And we've rolled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. We have 5 more times. I have 2 plus 5. That's a 7 for me. Six and 4 makes 10. One plus 2 makes 3. We have 2 more turns. I have 5 plus 1. That is 6. So I'm going to mark off a 6. One more. 4 plus 1 is a 5 for me. Do ours look different? They should. We should have got different numbers, so your corn's going to look a little bit different than mine. Good job practicing your adding. You can keep going until you mark out all the numbers if you would like. Welcome to Music and Stories Circle. I'm so happy you're here. I'm excited. Today our book is a little bit long, so we're going to have a little bit shorter of a music circle. So we're going to sing a little short song about a bumblebee. Do you know it? Zzz. Do you hear that? Zzz. Do you hear it? Catch it! I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud? proud of me. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! He stung me. I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up my baby bumblebee. Ew, he's all over me. I'm licking off my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm licking off my baby bumblebee. Ew, it's still on me. I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. All clean. Now I have to do the laundry. Our book today is called Big Chickens. Big chickens. One day, 4 big chickens peeked out of the coop window and saw a wolf sneak into the farmyard. The chickens walked, flocked, and rocked. They knocked into themselves and each other until one by one they tumbled out of the coop. The door slammed shut and the chickens ran into the woods to hide. After a while, it became very quiet. I'm afraid to go home, said one chicken. Oh, said the others, me too. Me 3, me 4. So 4 cautious, careful, cowardly chickens walked deeper into the woods until they came to a deep ditch. I'm afraid to jump, said one chicken. Oh, said the others, me too, me 3, me 4. What if we can't jump that far? What if we fall into the ditch? What if we get sucked into the mud? The chickens tutted and putted and fluttered. They butted into each other until, one by one, the chickens landed smack in the mud. Feet flew out from under, the bottoms flipped over, bodies plucked up and mud sucked down, legs sink in, necks stretch out until their chicken feet grabbed some roots and they pulled themselves out of the ditch. 4 dirty chickens came to a cow pasture. I'm afraid of cows, said one chicken. Oh, said the others, me too, me 3, me 4. What if the cows chase us? What if we get poked in with their horns? What if we step in cow patty? The chickens squeaked, squirmed, and squealed. They squawked at themselves and each other until one by one they bumped into the cows. The chickens ran and the cows chased. The cows stomped down and the chickens fluttered up. Horns dipped under and legs leaped over. Tongues hung out, feet squished in until their chicken wings flapped and they flopped over the fence to the other side. 4 dusty chickens came to a lake. I'm afraid of the water, said one chicken. Oh, said the others, me too. Me 3, me 4. What if the boat sinks? What if we fall in the lake? What if we hit an iceberg? The chickens sputtered, shuddered, and muttered. They fluttered into themselves and into each other until the boat tipped, and one by one, they fell out. The chickens landed in the lake with a splash. The boat went down and their toes pointed up. Heads bobbed under and waves swept over. Breath sucked in, water squirted out until they grabbed onto a log and their chicken legs kicked all the way to the shore. 4 drippy chickens spied a cave. I'm afraid of caves, said one chicken. Oh, said the others, me too. Me 3, me 4. What if we can't see in there? What if we wake up some bats? What if we fall into the bottomless pit? 4 chickens flurried, hurried, and worried. They scurried into themselves and each other until, one by one, they stumbled into a cave. The chickens bumped into the walls, rocks rolled over and toes crunched together, bats flew down and chickens swatted up, dark closed in, eyes bulged out until their chicken ears heard a noise in the back of the cave and they grew very quiet. 4 dazed chickens listened to a long, low growl. I'm afraid of growls, said one chicken. Oh, said the others, me too. Me 3, me 4. What if it's a big animal? What if it's a big, hairy animal? What if it's a big, hairy, chicken-stomping animal? Something crawled from the back of the cave. It was big. It was hairy. It looked at the chickens and it licked its lips. The chickens, it's a wolf! The chickens picked, pecked, and pocked. They ruffled, puffled, and shuffled. They shrieked, squeaked, and freaked until the wolf ran out of the cave. Their chicken hearts soared. I am a big, brave chicken, said one chicken. Oh, said the others, me two, me three, me four. We have chicken power, we have chicken brains, we have chicken guts. Yes, they all agreed. They were very big chickens. For dirty, dusty, drippy, dazed, daring chickens strutted all the way home. The end.